I have lots of favorites among my collection, but these two, easily one of my tops. Now, they are twins and will never be separated. I couldn't find a company when I first started doing this, but I looked it up and they are from Schleich. Can't find them listed for sale, so that makes them even more special. The paint job on these guys is absolutely amazing. I think, oops. Darn it. There. Now you can see the front and the back. They look really amazing. Overall. I'm giving them a 10 out of 10. The MeerKat figure is in lookout mode. That's what I picture anyway. And they are the cutest little MeerKat faces, or they have the cutest little MeerKat faces. They really do. See if it'll focus. There we go. Put him back. 10 out of 10 for that. Guys, I have to say, they look amazing. They are awesome little representatives from their group. So yeah, I don't think they're made anymore by the company. Closing thoughts. They are so unreal. I had no idea that I could even get MeerKats. Would love to find a place on my collection shelf with some other figures from Africa. They are, I think, the only animal from their particular classification group in my collection. Maybe I'm wrong. See you in the next one.